I can't sing and I can't dance. Ain't got no fame, no big advance. But I got a trick, it's kinda slick. Something to make the party click. Building tension with rhythm blick. Grab your drink, let's make it loud. Here's a trick to wow the crowd. It's not a skill you'd see in a show, but it's one thing I know. My party trick burps that kick, makes the room go out real quick. Can't hit a note, but I can impress. This is my talent, no need to guess. Serpentine through that kick, makes the room go out real quick. Can't hit a nut, but I can impress. This is my talent, no need to guess. I don't need a stage, don't need a plan. Just my soda bubbles in a can. They say it's weird, I say it's fun. Turn up the beat, let's get it done. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. Here's a talent you didn't know. Raise your glass, let's make a sound. This is the party, let's astound. My party trick burps that kick, makes the room go out real quick. Can't hit a note, but I can impress. This is my talent, no need to guess. My party trick burps